All right, before we move on, there was an error that I was seeing that I want to fix. And if you take a look, once the fireballs really start getting going, you'll see that they explode above the base plate. And the reason for that is that they're touching the explosion of the previous bomb that's like below it. Okay, and so we don't want that to happen. We only want the bomb to explode if it touches the base plate. Okay, so we want to go ahead and code that. So if we come back to the fireball script, and we have this connect here, right? So the clone is created, a listening event is created, and then if it touches something, then it blows up, right? This is indiscriminate. If it touches anything, it blows up. But we want to put a condition in here. So we want to say only do if the thing that was touched is the base plate, or I'm sorry, the end plate. Okay. So I'm gonna need the end plate. Oh, good, I have it right here. So I could say if this in here inside of the function, we have touched part. Oh, we already used touched part actually up here. So let's use a different name for it. We can call it end. Oh, that's a keyword. Let's not do that. Let's just call it part. Okay. And so we say if part dot name is equal to end plate dot name. Okay. Then do this. So basically what this condition is doing is it's just saying if the part that the fireball touched name is the same as the end plate's name, then we can explode. Okay. So let's go ahead and play this out and see if it works correctly. Alright, so it looks better. I don't see any bombs exploding above the ground like I did before, right? But you'll also notice that there's far too many explosions. So we want to go ahead and go back, increase this weight, and hopefully that will make our obby more possible to run through. Okay, so that looks more possible, right? And you can now verify that our helicopter on the other end is not being touched by the explosions, right? And actually that was a little bit too easy. So again, some of this game design you need to fine tune, and I would probably fine tune this value here to be like 6.5 and test it out and see if it works. But yeah, you want it to be difficult, but not too difficult. I think the number that you should probably search for is if they play 9 to 10 times, they won't be able to do it 9 of those 10 times, right?